To change the custom watch face on Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active, first we need to open MyFitness app. Navigate to device, then scroll down and look for the manage band displays, select all, and then we'll be able to find a custom. Now you can choose a different clock style that you want to use on your smart band, and in this case we're gonna go with this one. After which we can customize it to the limit and then go for a custom photo right here. Open it with a gallery or whichever app you like, and that way we'll be able to set a specific photo for our watch face. We can click on continue and apply, and that way. Okay, so it means that we need to, if you have this problem, also you need to open a settings, go for band displays, and then click on the trash icon to remove different watch faces. Otherwise, it won't work. Then we can finally apply it. And here's our watch face updated.